Hello friend, welcome. In maths lecture today we are taking a next lecture on part 2 lecture of introduction to trigonometry. In the last lecture we can studied that basic functions, that 6 trigonometric ratio, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, their formulas and depend on exercise 8.1 examples. In today's lecture we can learn the next examples in 8.1. That in 8.1 from example number 1 to example number 5 we can learn in the next last period. Now today example number 5 you can take it. For given sec theta is equals to 13 by 12. Calculate all trigonometric ratio, all other trigonometric ratio. So this is example number 5. We have given that sec theta is equal to 13 by 12 and calculate all other trigonometric ratio. Sec theta, what is the sec theta formula? That sec theta is equal to what? Hypotenuse upon adjacent side of an angle. Here is an angle is given that theta, so we can draw the figure that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Now angle A is called as theta. Then using sec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Then for this theta, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. And what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is AB. So that I can write here AC by AB. Then AC is equals to what? 13. But this is a ratio. So I will write 13k and AB is equal to what? 12k. Using this, find the value of BC. So Pythagoras theorem says that BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square, as we know. So put up the value 13k square minus 12k square. That 13 square is 169k square minus 144k square, that is equals to 25k square, that equals to 5k. BC is equals to, this is the BC, 5k. Now find out the remaining all angles. So sec theta is given, remaining other angle. What are the remaining angles? Using this sec theta, that we know that the cos theta is equals to what? 1 by sec theta. Then 1 by 13 by 12, that is 12 by 13, simply. Now sin theta is what? Formula that opposite side upon hypotenuse of theta. Now tell me, opposite side of this from figure, what is the opposite side? Opposite side is this. This is what? BC upon AC. Then that formula you can write here BC upon AC. Then BC is what? 5k upon AC is what? 13k. Then sin theta is equals to what? 5 by 13. Using this sign you can find out what? Cosec theta. Cosec theta is what? 1 by sin theta. There is a formula. So what? 13 by 5. Now tan theta remaining. Tan theta is equals to what? Sin theta upon cos theta. This is the formula, or opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side, that is what? BC upon AB. Or sin theta is equals to what? We will take sin theta by cos theta first. Sin theta is equals to what? 5 by 13 upon cos theta is equals to what? 12 by 13. 13 get cancelled, 5 by 12. Or tan theta using the formula that opposite side upon adjacent side. Then opposite side upon adjacent side is what? Tell me. Of that angle theta, that theta is here. Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. So BC by AB. BC by AB. That BC is equals to 5k upon 12k get cancelled. Then tan theta is equals to 5 by 12. Same answer. using sin by cos law or opposite by adjacent law. Then what is cot theta? Cot theta is reciprocal of tan. Then simply what? 12 by 5. You can learn or you can easily do it. So if one angle is given, we can find all other trigonometric ratio. Depend on this. Next example is what? Sixth example is, if angle A and angle B are acute angle such that cos A equals to cos B, then show that angle A and angle B are equal. That means what? You have to given that the cosine of angle A and cosine of angle B are equal. Then find angle A and angle B are also equal. Let me take that figure is what? Using here, we can draw the figure ABC. Now angle C is what? 90 degree. Then by given that cos A equals to cos B, this is a given condition. Now what is cos A? Formula. Cos A is what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse side. What is the adjacent side of A? Cos of A. That adjacent side is what? AC. Upon hypotenuse is what? AB. Cos B. For cos B, the adjacent side is what? BC. Upon hypotenuse is what? AB. Now AB denominator have been cancelled. Remaining what? AC is equals to BC. Now AC, this side and this side are equal. We know that if the sides are equal in a triangle, then opposite angle must be equal. That by property of triangle, equal side in triangle, then angle opposite to equal side is always equal. Therefore what? Angle A is equals to angle B. This is a very simple proof, but you can learn about that cosine properties and triangle properties also. Number 7 examples is same way. That number 7 is, we have to given that cot of theta is equals to 7 by 8. Then find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. We have to find 1 plus sin, 1 minus sin, 1 plus cos and 1 minus cos. Now let me do. As we know, x plus y, x minus y. What is the formula of x plus y, x minus y? That equals to x square minus y square. Using this identity, use here 1 plus sin, 1 minus sin. So I can write here what? 1 minus sin square theta. Square you can write this way also. Now upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So this is again you can write here what? 1 minus cos square theta. So that is 1 square is 1. So 1 minus sin theta whole square upon 1 minus cos theta whole square. Put up the value of sin theta, cos theta in the format of here using cot theta, 7 by 8. Now draw the figure. Then it is equals to what? Using this, you can just do that cot theta is equals to what? 7 by 8, that is 7k, 8k. Using figure, cot theta is equals to what? Opposite side upon opposite side, adjacent side upon opposite side. That is what? AB upon BC, that is AB upon BC, that is 7k by 8k. Then 7k is equals to AB and BC is equals to what? 8k. Find out the Pythagoras theorem. What is the value of AC? That is the AC is equals to what? 113k. That is root of 113 of k. Now that 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta upon into 1 minus cos theta, that equals to what? 1 minus sin theta whole square upon 1 minus cos theta whole square. That equals to, put up here 1 minus. What is the sin theta? Sin theta is what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Tell me what is the opposite side upon hypotenuse is what? Here. Sin theta is equals to opposite side. What is the opposite side of theta? That is BC upon AC. That is 8k by 113k. That is sin theta is equals to 8 by 113. Now what is cos theta? Cos theta is what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? AB upon AC. Then 7k upon 113k. Again k get cancelled. So cos theta is equals to what? 7 by 113. Put these two value in here. Then that is 1 minus sin theta, that is 8 by 113 square upon 1 minus 7 by 113 square, that equals to 1 minus 8 square is 16, 4, 113 under root get outside, remaining what? 1 minus 7 square is 49 upon 113. Solve this. That equals to what? 113 minus 64 upon 113 upon is equals to 113 minus 49 upon 113. That equals to what? Subtraction. 113 minus 64, that is equals to 49 by 64. Then that the answer is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta equals to what? 49 by 64. This is the example number 1. Now for same here, find value of cot square theta. That is cot theta whole square. Then formula cot theta. What is the cot theta in here? Cot theta, that is adjacent side upon opposite side, that is 7k by 8k, or AB by BC. Then AB by BC whole square, then AB by BC, that is 7k by 8k whole square, that is cancel, that is 49 by 64. The both answer are same. Now next example is same again. Number 8 is same as number 7, that is 3 cot A is equals to 4. Check whether 1 minus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Just find out the value of cot A, that is 4 by 3. Same here, just find out the remaining terms and use the value. Number 9 is what? If tan ABC is tan right angle at B, tan A equals to 1 by root 3. Find the value of sin A, cos C, cos A, sin C. Again, for tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. Then using the triangles, find out the remaining values. Tan means what? Opposite upon adjacent. So what is opposite side? Opposite side is only 1k and adjacent side is root 3k. Find the value of hypotenuse and then use sin A, cos C, cos C, cos A and sin C. Do it and solve this. Now number 10 is what? In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR equals 25 and PQ is equal to 5. Determine the value of sin P, cos P, tan P. Let us do example number 10 on this paper. Using the information, we can write the figure that PQR angle Q is 90 degree. PQ have given that 5 and PR plus PQ is equals to 25. Let QR is equals to X. Then what remaining PR? PR plus QR equal to 25. This is X. Then X is shifting 25 minus X. So this is what? 25 minus X. Now using the Pythagoras theorem, so that PR square is equals to what? PQ square plus QP square. Solve this. That equals to what? That put out the value 25 minus X square is equal to PQ square plus QP square, that is X square plus 5 square. Now expand A minus B square, that is A square minus twice AB plus B square. So that is 625 minus twice AB, that is 25 2s are 15x plus X square is equal to X square plus 25. Both are X square having same term, will be cancelled. Now 25 we can shift here and 15 we can shift here. The 25 plus hai, so it will be minus, and minus 15x equals to what? 15x. 625 minus 50, that equals to 60 and it will be 15x. 50 you can be divided into 600, that answer is 12. So x equals to 12. Now x equals to 12, that is value of this value is 12. Then what remaining? PR 25 minus x. Then PR is equals to what? 25 minus 12, that is equals to 13. Then PR is equals to 13. Then the question is find the value of sin P. So sin P is equals to what? Tell me. Sin P is what? Formula opposite side upon hypotenuse. Then opposite side is what? In here, P. Opposite side is what? QR. Upon hypotenuse is what? PR. Then QR by PR. Then find out QR. The QR is equal to what? X value is 12 upon PR is value is 13. Then sin P is equals to 12 by 13. Same you can do it cos P and tan P also. Now same way you can do it example number 11 for your homework. So today we can complete it exercise 8.1. In the next period we can just learn trigonometric ratio and some specific angles. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.